Alright, so to open the hood, there's a latch right here. So you reach your hand under the hood. To open up the battery cover, there's a tab right here you release, you lift up on it, and then this will let you remove the battery cover. So then there's two posts that you need to remove, and there's two posts to remove. So you can see this is just loosening it, and then you should be able to remove it with your hand. Now there's a bolt down here that I have to remove. So I'm using a 13mm to remove the battery holder. Now we can remove this block. Just put it out of the way in a place where it won't fall. Now I should be able to remove the battery. Get the new battery, place it in. Just torque it down until you're satisfied that it's tight enough. You want to make sure you don't cross thread it. So if you cross thread it, you're going to have problems. Alright, so the battery is installed, but here's the problem. This is a problem in the Pontiac. The window automatically goes down when you open the door, automatically goes up when you close it. But after replacing the battery, it does not. So there's a procedure that we use to fix this issue. Alright, so what you have to do after you replace your battery, you have to put the window all the way down until you hear a click. And then after you hear that click, you can put the window all the way up and hold the button in the up position until you hear another click coming from the door. Then you know the window's position is calibrated with the car's computer. And I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. So I hold it down, then I lift it up, and I wait. Hear a click. So now when I open the door, the window goes down a little bit. When I close it, it goes back up. So now I'll install the battery cover, so I'll push this handle down. And then the cover goes on this way. So you lock the battery in place, you lock the battery cover in place, and then these clips are locked in. There's one on this side. And then to close the hood, release this latch, the bracket, lock it into place, and let it go. Watch your hands out of the way.